చేశామా, వాట్ ఈస్ ద రిజల్ట్స్? దోస్ థింగ్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు అనలైజ్ హియర్. మీరందరు మీ చార్ట్స్లోకి పోకండి. మీరు పోయారంటే యు ఆర్ టెల్లింగ్ లైస్. ఐఎమ్ టెల్లింగ్ యూ, ఈవెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ప్రెసెంట్ ఇన్ యువర్ చార్ట్, if you say I'm happy, then you are telling lies, sir. Because I have experience in my this thing. I know I practically applied in my life only. I am dancing according to tunes of my wife and everybody else. One client came to me and he said, sir, I am dancing according to tunes of my wife. I have everything, car hai, pura hai, magar nothing. Whenever I go to house, she make me dance. So kaikeliya, what are all these things? Endu dance chepistundi? ఇవన్నీ మనం చూడాలి. అర్థమైందా? సో ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ వై వీఆర్ డాన్సింగ్. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ బిఫోర్ గోయింగ్ టు మ్యారేజ్ దేర్ ఇస్ ఎ సెలెక్షన్. యూ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు అట్రాక్ట్ విత్ దట్ గర్ల్. ఓకే, ఫైన్. దెన్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్? కేతు విల్ ఎంటర్ ఆఫ్టర్ సమ్ టైమ్. దేర్ విల్ బి డిసల్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ మ్యారేజ్ ఆర్ డిస్టర్బెన్స్ ఇన్ ది మ్యారేజ్ వేర్ షీ సేస్ నో నథింగ్ డూయింగ్ nothing. So what is going to happen? He is going to send it after seeing the Kuta also. Anil Sahab, you have seen the Kuta and sent her to the Sasral. She made her to dance, the Sasral people. उसलिए उन लोगों को भिजा दिए, ये इधर आ जाते आपको. You can see all those things. Now the soul of marriage. What is that? After dissolution, they will go to spirituality. They want only spirituality. क्या करना अभी? अरे भगवान को पकड़ना. उतना है ना, देयर इज नो अदर अल्टरनेटिव. हमारा एस्ट्रोलॉजर बोले बहुत अच्छा रहता, फिर क्यों डांस कर रहे हो? सो दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. देन व्हाट इज कर्मा, fate and destiny, Venus as a Karka, Ketu as a Karka, Venus Ketu combination, married life parameters, marriage dishonomy, significance of Ketu, effects of Ketu, mythological example, conclusion. These are my. Sir, how many minutes, sir? No, sir. I want 20 minutes. They are telling half an hour. Back people. So I'm going to take half an hour, sir. Okay, as per your 20 minutes. Take. So marriage. Next time. So what marriages says? Almost all marriages of Hindu are conducted with the consent of astrologers. They are going to consult with the consent of the astrologer. In consultation above, the compatibility of the marriage partner is not only to find whether they will fare well in their married life with prosperity and long life, but also to know whether there is any untoward happenings in store for future happening. Future sufferings అవుతున్నాయా లేదని మనం చెప్తాం. వాట్ హ్యాపన్ బోల్తో వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు టెల్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద సఫరింగ్స్, బట్ దే విల్ నాట్ లిసన్, సార్. In spite of our telling, they will not listen. Sir, love marriage हो गया, क्या करना? I am going to get married with that woman only, वो ही होता. So, but they will not listen. So they have to dance. So what are the reasons for that? हमारा next time. So what is law of karma says? According to the law of karma, nobody is responsible for our sorrow and prosperity. We should not blame or praise anybody who has become the cause of our misery and good luck. Still in this world, we are claiming that we are doing everything. So we should not blame everybody, sir. We should not think that we are doing everything. मैं तो कुछ भी नहीं समझता. I am not doing anything. It is the destiny which is going to make, and I am speaking with the power of the destiny. So now here, what is first? Law of karma, thought. Here, thought plays an important role. Then intention, then comes action, then comes impression, and last your results. The results will be done in the last according to your thought. What you thought will result in the last. You are going to get the results. So what are the actions you have done, good or bad? Your result will be according to that. So that is very very important. Next amma, fate and destiny. Oh, పదాలు పెట్టిన మావాడు ఏమనుకోకండి సార్. So there are many inevitable points by which we must admit that our destiny is represented and focused through the stars, and the stars are there to act according to the direction of our destiny. What it says, everything depends upon our stars. So we should think अपन का स्टार्स का ऊपर ही पूरा డిపెండ్ అవుతా మన స్టార్ల పేరు మీదనే మన నక్షత్రాల మీద అన్ని బేస్ అయిపోతాయి అది చూసుకోవాలా దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అండ్ ఏమైంది దట్ ఈస్ వై ది స్టార్స్ ఆర్ డెస్టినీ అండ్ వైస్ వర్సా ఇక్కడ ఏమైతుంది వీఆర్ యాక్టింగ్ అకార్డింగ్ టు ది డెస్టినీ ఇక్కడ స్టార్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ టు యాక్ట్ అకార్డింగ్ టు ది డైరెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ డెస్టినీ సో దే విల్ యాక్ట్ అకార్డింగ్ టు డైరెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ది డెస్టినీ దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ and that is why the stars are destined and vice versa. Sir, in Mahabharata and Ramayana we have seen that we have come across several examples where manpower has been terribly defeated before the power of destiny, sir. That is very very important. You take all the examples, you can take Rama also, you can take Ravana also, anybody. The power of man has been overpowered by destiny. That is very very important. Power of destiny is very very important. Then next Venus as a karaka. What it says: love and relationship, marriage and partnership, beauty, charm and attraction, art and luxury, pleasure, harmony and comfort. This has to be seen. That is very very important. Then what happened? If this is not good, then what is going to happen? We'll see. So Venus is the most brilliant planet and is known as the goddess of beauty. Till today, it occupies an important place in astronomy and astrology. And Venus, a fascinating planet of beauty and sex, has captured the attention of astronomers and astrologers. This is one of the planets which has been universally accepted as a planet of beauty, happiness and romance. This is very very important. Me romance kavalante ide kavalana Venus. Which Venus does not touch. As a matter of fact, whenever I get the chart, I'll first delineate the Venus, where it is, to know his status, his life, happy life, and his married life. So we have to see first of all whether he is in a good position. Manchigunda leda first Venus ni చూసుకోండి మీ చాట్లలో పోయిన తర్వాత నా బతికి ఇంతనే అని ఆలోచించుకోండి. నేను I cannot do other than this. I have to be like this only. And adjust yourself like I am adjusting. So that is very very important. So there is no other go. I'll tell you why I am adjusting. Those things I will clearly tell you. So these things. So when we are going to, you see your charts. Sir, if you say no, I am also well sir now, that's all lies and humbug. Next, what does it say? So it is spiritual and moksha. And detachment and letting go, intuition and insight, past life karma, separation and liberation, unknown mystery and occult sense. These things you have to keep in your mind, where it is aspecting, where it is associated, with whom is associated, where is it aspecting. Sir, in Vedic astrology, Ketu is a planet of detachment, spirituality and past life karma. Its role in married life is often transformative but challenging, typically fostering the emotional distances, spiritual growth, and the need to let go of the materialistic expectations in the relationship. This is very very important. Wherever is there, wherever is associated, there you can see it is going to be detached. I have seen many charts because I am an advocate, sir. I have collected more than 1,000 charts. It is there. I will send it to you, sir. Please learn it. Next. So here you can Venus Ketu combination, sir. Union of love and liberation. You can see deep love and strong attraction here, and spiritual lesson in relationships. Now test of trust, detachment and destiny. Unconventional relationships, sudden changes, distances or separation, inner growth through emotional experience. Next, Nana. Oh. Bana, sir, parameters for happy married life. So next time I choose them, sir. So these are the parameters for happy married life, sir. This is very very important. You all have to take a photo this one manchiga. So this is very very important. You apply in your this thing why I am not happy. साहब सुनील साहब, ये तो वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है. आप भी जाए ससुराल को और ससुराल में से आ गया बोल तो दिस आर द थिंग्स. If they are happy, then it's ये अपन सोचने का बात है ये. So if it क्या है? Placement of Venus in chart अच्छा है ना? For happy married life, I am telling you. Placement of Venus in the chart. Venus should not be aspected by any malefic. That is very, very important. Placement of Venus in the friend's house, unafflicted by the malefic planets. Then placement of Venus in own house and unafflicted by malefic planets. Association of Venus with friends and no aspect of malefic planet. Venus in exalted sign, that is Pisces, and unafflicted by malefic planet. If Venus is associated with benefic planet Jupiter, please note this. If Venus is associated with benefic planet, the desire for bed comforts are minimized. These things you have to aspect. Even if it aspects, Jupiter is aspecting your Venus, your bed comforts are minimized. Janak payal nahi basta. That is very, very important. So, as Devaguru, Jupiter, Rakshasa Guru, Sukra cannot stay together as Guru is stronger than Venus in giving comforts. That is very, very important. The native will have lot of finance, but average happiness. So, those janeka very finance ఉంటుంది కానీ హ్యాపీనెస్ ఉండదు, చాలా జాగ్రత్త ఉండాలి. ఓకే, ఈవెన్ వీనస్ ఇస్ ప్లేస్డ్ ఇన్ గుడ్ హౌస్. దిస్ ఇస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఈవెన్ ఇఫ్ వీనస్ ఇస్ ప్లేస్డ్ ఇన్ గుడ్ హౌస్, unafflicted, and if Ketu is pointed in the second house, I am clearly telling you, second house lo Ketu unte, second house mein Ketu aito, what is going is pointed in second, there shall not be good or happy married life and probability of getting separated. Sir, Anil sahab bole na, wahi hua idhar. Now next nana, acha ye you can see this. So kaisa how dominant sir, how she is seeing at them. वो तो डोमिनेट है, ऑलवेज दे आर डोमिनेट, इवन दो अवर चार्ट में नहीं है तो भी उन लोग ऑलवेज डोमिनेट है. सो दैट्स देयर. सो नाउ मैरिटल डिसऑर्डर. सो व्हाट इज दिस? लैक ऑफ लव एंड अफेक्शन, फ्रीक्वेंट आर्ग्यूमेंट्स एंड मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग, lack of trust and faith, emotional distances and indifferences, jealous and possessiveness, financial stress and instability. Now these things we have to take into consideration. Malefic influence on 2nd, 4th, 7th, 8th and 12th house. This will create a lot of trouble. So you should think and you should adjust for yourself. Next Nana. Acha. Tipul better. Okay. Now parameters for unhappy married life. Nana, please take parameters. Amma meer em anukoku. Unhappy married life gurinchi cheptunna. So, if Venus is associated with malefic like Sun, Mars, Saturn and Ketu, there will not be happy married life. Sir, don't go into your chart, sir, please. Yeah, please, don't go into your chart. If Venus is aspected by malefic Ketu, the happiness of the native is lost. And if Venus is in Gemini, अच्छा देख लीजिए, Gemini, Cancer, Leo and Virgo, there shall not be happy married life. That is expected happy married life तो नहीं रहेगा. क्या साहब? Is there any doubt? नहीं, आप आपका चार्ट में चले गए. Now be the tight here, please. So if Venus in the constellation of Sun, this is also very, very important, sir. Sir, Sarvapata Chakra बोले ना आप. If Venus is in the constellation of Sun or Ketu, there will not be expected happy married life. That's also to be analyzed. And association of Mars and Venus is good if they are lot of first and second. Okay, there are exceptions, but sir, Venus in second house or 8th house shall lead to separation. There will be separation with quarrel. That is very, very important where you are to apply. Okay. Now, parameters for judge marital disharmony. क्यों अच्छा नहीं है, दो जने के बीच में क्यों लड़ रहे? That is very, very important. Sir, we have to go through this, very, very important. Photo this konana. So, first parameters is that if the 7th house and Karaka planet, Venus for male and Jupiter for female is afflicted, it indicates native is not destined to have good luck towards marriage. Okay? And it indicates troubled conjugal life and physical trouble. या तो दो जने मार लेते. So, एक मारे तो ना दो मारता. So that is there. So these things, where it is coming in, if 7th Lord is afflicted and posited in different house. Now, second parameters. If fourth house signifies our happy married life, our family, and if afflicted to the native is destined to have poor family life, Jupiter is considered as a karka for family life. If Jupiter is afflicted, there shall be poor family environment. Native will be uncomfortable due to this family surroundings. Fourth house should not be, our surroundings bound, yes, sir. So there will not be love and affection between the husband and wife. So अभी वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, ये तो अंदर जा रहा है. दिस इज 8th हाउस हिडन हाउस बोल के ये पूरा अंदर से दिखा रहे हैं. सो हिडन हाउस है सर, खत्म करते ना 1 मिनट सर. सो हिडन हाउस 8th हाउस बोलते, हिडन हाउस खत्म करते बोलना. ऑल द एविल, among all the evil, 8th house is the most malefic. This is supposed to be hidden house and matters pertaining to fear from enemies, longevity of spouse, in-laws, disease of sexual organs. If 7th lord is associated or posited in 8th house, it indicates hindrance in the marriage and married life. So 8th house में नहीं रहना. If your 7th house is 8th house, ये पूरा दिखाता है, अंदर क्या है वो पूरा दिखा देता. And we are going to make you magic, sir. Where we are, we don't know. And this is fourth parameters. This is very very important, sir. Sir, fourth parameter नीचे है sir. So, if 12th house or Karka Saturn is afflicted, that indicates poor or disturbed sex life. If 12th house is afflicted, it indicates lack of sexual urge of the native. And if Karka Saturn is afflicted, then it indicates unfavorable surroundings concerning bed comforts. 12th house should not be afflicted, or 12th house should not be afflicted, and Saturn should not be afflicted. Nana, రెండు skips చేశాను. You go directly to the, yeah. You చెప్పేసినాం కదా చిన్న. So Rama's Venus is being afflicted, sir. That is why they went to exile and got separated, sir. That is. So let us see. Now this is only one case study, sir. I'll study also. Okay? So now we can see where is the Sun and Venus, sir. We have already parameters చెప్పాను మీకు అందరికి. I told everybody the parameters here. What? Venus should not be afflicted. That is very very important. इधर आईना Venus तो afflict हुआ ना अनिल साहब. Venus afflict हुआ ना. So afflict हो तो क्या हुआ? What is that you are going to judge? There will not be any maximum expected happy married life. So you see, and please tell the parents of that girl or a boy, there will not be expected happy married life, and he has to adjust. That is very very important. How many days he has to adjust? Minimum 8 years. You आदत पड़ जाता बाद में. So that will be there. So that is very very important. We have to see. So minimum 8 years बोलता हो गया. So now we see the affliction. केतु इधर है. Rahu Ketu axis also is not good. Okay. Now you have seen this. Next पे 10 ना second. ಇದನ್ನು ವದಿಲೇಸಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಾರು ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಅನ್ನೇಷನ್. Now here also you can see where is Rahu and Ketu. Ketu is Venus is aspected by Ketu. He is associated with Rahu here. है ना? वो भी अच्छा नहीं. चलो next third. अब रॉकेट चलेगा. Next you can see here also same combination. Who are there? Mars, Venus and Rahu aspected by Ketu. So sir, thank you very much, sir. I might have taken more. Right, thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir, for the instructive presentation.
Sir, 498A and all, where the people are suffering. So ससुराल को जाने के बाद भी डांस करा रहे हैं because of this, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Honorary Additional Controller of Examinations, Shri Pankaj Shivsurji, to honor the speaker.
Initially, immediately after lunch, we wanted to put his lecture because at least he'll wake all the people up. But we had to adjust because of the number of lectures. Thank you.
The academic institution, their unwavering commitment to teaching, mentoring and research has not only elevated the standards of our establishment, but has also shaped the lives and careers of countless students. It is only fitting that we acknowledge and celebrate their tireless contributions through the conferment of distinguished titles. I request Honorary Additional Controller of Examinations, Shri Pankaj Shivsurji, to announce the names, and Honorary Working President and Controller of Examinations, Shri Navneet Kaushik ji, to honor the esteemed.
అమ్మ మీకు టైటిల్స్ చెప్పారు కదా, టైటిల్స్ తీసుకున్న వాళ్ళందరూ